Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Do all your attempts to lose weight go in vain? Then avoid these 5 morning habits to halt your weight gain. Losing weight not only helps us to live a healthier life, but it also enhances our personality. Now, this has made losing weight tips one of the most served topics on Google. Everyone today wants to look thin, and everyone wants to lose weight. But we also have to take in consideration our modern lifestyle, because of which nowadays we are running. But running not as a physical activity. In fact, this running lacks any physical activity. Because of that, the risk of obesity has increased and many people are already dealing with weight problems. In this extra fast world where everyone is so busy pulling their own weights, it is very important to stay healthy. Being obese will not only deteriorate your personality physically, but you will also become a victim of several diseases like stroke, diabetes, heart issues, osteoarthritis, high blood pressure, and certain types of cancer. But don't worry, there are things that can help you only if you let it help you. A proper diet and regular exercise are two main and the natural keys to this problem. If you exercise regularly and have a balanced diet, it will not only enhance the functioning of your body, but will also help you to lose weight. In that way, you will be healthy and happy. Although there are certain factors that might promote weight gain instead of its loss or the weight loss plateau. But I have few questions for you. Are you one of those people whose prime issue is losing weight? And are you tired of trying different tactics to move those extra fats from your body? Well, if all these issues bother you, then you have come to the right place. There are several small factors that might promote weight loss or weight gain. Now, with this little difference and a little effort from your side to read and educate yourself, together we can achieve exquisite goals. So we are here and there's nothing to fear. So here we present to you some morning habits by avoiding which we can halt the process of weight gain and fat accumulation. 1. Don't oversleep or wake up too late. Is oversleeping one of your habits? Do you sleep for more than 9 hours? Well, you already have your answer then. You are at a risk of gaining weight. It has been reported that oversleeping has contributed to weight gain and fat accumulation, and that adversely affects your weight loss plans. If you sleep more than 9 hours, it is called oversleeping. While if you sleep less than 7 hours, it's called undersleeping. I know, both can be very confusing and frustrating, but both of these are equally harmful to your body, and they can definitely help the process of your weight gain. So it looks like it's time to sleep on time and wake on time. Number 2. Absence of meditation. How many of you ever considered meditation as a healthy morning habit? I am sure very few people could make it to this category. Looks like with quarantine around the corner and sitting on our heads, it seems like a good time to spend few minutes with yourself every day. Reports show that early meditation initiates weight loss processes. Now, meditation plays a major role in reducing the stress hormone. With our lives today, it is inevitable to have stressful routines and stressful lives and weigh everything on our head. Meditation plays a major role in reducing the stress hormone. Now, this stress hormone is referred to as cortisol. Now, the imbalance of the cortisol hormone leads to an increased appetite. And you all know, an increased appetite automatically promotes weight gain. Thus, it is very important to keep this hormone in balance. 3. Absence of stretching exercises. Well, all those people who even go to the gym sometimes find excuses to get out of it. So it's no problem if you're not consistent, but it is a problem if you're trying to lose weight and still not consistent. These consist of easiest exercises that all of us have heard. But how many of us actually care to perform these? We have always heard that in order to get a healthy body, you need to exercise. It will help blood flow, circulation, etc., etc., etc. I am sure very few of us follow what we say. However, these exercises that are performed during our warm-up and cool-down sessions have a magical effect on weight loss. They increase our metabolism, our muscle building, and our blood pressure. If today you decide to perform your exercises on a regular basis, then I assure you, you are on the bridge of weight loss. Because they also help in burning fats. I can help you with some exercises. The seated twist, side bends, the cobra stretch, the bridge, tricep stretch, side lunge, thigh stretch are some of the stretching exercises. They will definitely help you. 4. Skipping breakfast. Are you one of those who believe that skipping breakfast will help you lose some weight? Well, then danger is calling your name. And if you stand by this theory, then no one can help you. Because skipping breakfast alters your metabolism, paving path for weight gain. It also has been observed that skipping breakfast generally causes craving for junk in the later times of the day. 9:30 has been considered as the most ideal time for breakfast. So try not skipping breakfast. Either have an egg or some poha or whatever fits your plate. 5. Not drinking sufficient water. So what's your morning drink? I am sure most of the answers will revolve around tea and coffee. This raises another question. What should be your ideal morning drink? I'm sure a lot of you know it, but it should be a glass of water at room temperature. That is the ideal drink that you should start your day with. Water acts as an appetite suppressant, keeping in check our entire day's appetite. It also helps keeping our body hydrated. And you know how important hydration is when there's scorching heat outside. Now hydration not only initiates weight loss, but it also facilitates removal of toxins from our body. And also helps you to have a healthy skin. So, hydrate yourself every now and then and carry a bottle of water wherever you go. The bottom line to all of this is that we wish you to have a healthy life and a fit life. Now many of us work very hard for it, but our results still remain minimal. And many of us don't have adequate time for extra efforts. By adopting these simple morning habits, you can definitely achieve what you desire for. These healthy habits will surely help you lose some extra pounds. So don't give up. Just stay healthy and stay fit.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.